Morning, guys. We are having some sandwiches. Yeah, what kind of sandwiches?
It's tuna.
Tuna. That's right now, you guys. I'm live, you guys. Yes, I am live. I am saying hi to you guys, so it's pretty cool and exciting. I'm live with you guys. It's awesome. So that is pretty cool and exciting.
Dinner.
We are having lasagna and AW. Our favorite drink is AW. We are watching Corner Gas, you guys.
Because it's the best, the only good Canadian show.
Yes.
Other than like Heartland.
Yeah, Heartland's good. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, we are doing some cleaning. We're just doing some dishes. It's gonna be fun and exciting. What are we doing? Trying to get things organized, trying to get things done and over with. So just really organizing some stuff too. Get rid of some stuff that we don't need. So that's what we're doing. I'm getting into this video. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. But we are gonna watch a movie, so I don't know what movie we're gonna watch, but I'm gonna do like that because it's pretty cool and exciting. So goodbye.